In this video, we'll be going through question number 23 from HSC Standard Maths 2020 exam. This question came from the topic of rates, and specifically it was about ratios. It was a bit of a moderate question, looking at the study matrix. These kind of questions are becoming more and more usual in the new syllabus. So let's go through this. Open question number 23. What you're told is a ratio of different juices in a tropical drink. This is that ratio. And then the question asks that how much of orange juice is needed if a tropical drink contains 3 liters of pineapple juice. So you need to play around with these ratios to work out the orange juice. So let's take this out first. So we are here. So these kind of questions, first work out what do you have. You're told that the tropical drink has 3 liters of pineapple juice. Okay, one drink has 3 liters of pineapple juice. You're also told this is the ratio, right? Ratio of pineapple to mango to orange. This is the ratio. If I want to work out what is the proportion of pineapple in a drink, sorry, the spelling is a bit wrong. Yeah, if I want to work that ratio out, pineapple makes up for 15, and the total is 15 plus 9 plus 4, right? 15 plus 9 plus 4. So the proportion of pineapple is 15 over 28. So now coming here, we are told that the tropical drink, there is a tropical drink, okay? This is the full drink. What this is telling me is that the tropical drink multiplied by 15 over 28, which is the proportion of pineapple in the total drink, is equal to 3 liters. That's what this statement is telling me. From this, I can work out what is the quantity of the whole drink. If pineapple is 3 liters, what is the full size of the drink? So you just move these around, you will get the full size. So the full size would be equal to 5.6 liters, right? Now that's not the question. Question is not asking you to calculate the full size of the drink. Question is asking you how much orange juice is needed in that drink. But once you know that full size, we can work out, we are given the proportion of orange juice, right? So orange juice is 4 by 28. So orange, using the same way, but in this case we'll use the orange number at the top, 4 by 28. So orange is 4 by 28. So to work out the quantity of orange juice, all we need to do is multiply the total by 4 by 28. That will give you 0.8 liters of orange juice. So that's for part A. Now coming to part B, you're told that the internal dimensions of a drink container, this is a container, is this. And what they're asking is to fill this container with a drink, how many liters of mango juice are required? Before even coming to how many liters of mango juice are required, we need to figure out how much of a full drink can be fit in this. What's the size of the drink that can fit it in? To work that out, we first need to work out what is the volume of this container. So volume of this container would be base area multiplied by height. So base area is rectangle, so 40 by 20, that's the area of rectangle. Height is 35. So the volume is 28,000 centimeter cube. To convert this into liters, you would divide it by 1000. So the total volume of drink that can fit in here is 28 liters. Now you know this is the size of the overall tropical drink that can fit. So to work out how much of mango juice is required, we'll figure out the proportion just like we did for orange and pineapple. We'll figure out the proportion for mango here. Mango's proportion are 9 divided by 28. 9 by 28. Now all we need to do is, now coming to question, how many liters of mango juice would be there? If a total size is 28 liters, what we need is mango's proportion would be 28 liters multiplied by 9 by 28. So that means in that total of 28 liters, there would be 9 liters of mango.